As teachers, we know that this job leaves you with 17 tabs open in your brain and on your desktop at any time. Lesson planning alone can feel like you're juggling flaming swords, and there's never enough time to get everything done. But what if I told you that lesson planning doesn't have to be that way? Imagine a life in which you're reclaiming your time, reducing your stress, and creating lessons that your students actually love. That sounds too good to be true. I'm telling you that it is not. Join me on Saturday, February 1st for my live lesson planning workshop, where I'll show you the systems I've created over the last 20 years to simplify my lesson planning process, connect my lessons to real life, and to actually have fun while teaching again. And by being a part of this training, you'll get over 200 journal prompts, lesson planning templates, and all of the tools you'll need to take this year from surviving to thriving. This is the most comprehensive lesson planning workshop I have ever put on. So if you are ready to move from working harder to working smarter, grab your spot now. Let's make the rest of 2025 your best year ever. Because not only do your students deserve it, you deserve it. So click the link below and let's get started. Peace.